Lights, camera, action.
Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to traverse a linked list. In the previous one I showed you how to create one. It wasn't the best way to create a linked list. In fact, it's just for illustration purpose. So to create our linked list we used two pointers and we linked these two pointers. So I'm going to use the same code and add to it the statement necessary to traverse my list. So I'm going to use a while loop and I'm going to use also another pointer. This pointer will allow me to traverse node by node through my list. So I'm going to name my pointer P3 or P3, why not? And I'm going before traversing the list, I'm going to just add a message, print a message indicating that I'm traversing the list. So my pointer first will point to the first element, to the head of my list, which is the node or the address available in the variable or in the pointer P. Then I'm going to loop to my list since my the value in my pointer different than null. So I'm going to continue traversing my list. So while is different from null, what I'm going to do, just print the content of the fields of my node. So printf 9. So I will have the first name and the family name, and the corresponding values will be accessed by the pointer P3. So first name and family name. Then I'm going to print the age. The age is an int, so I'm going to use the formatting %d, and here I'm going to access to the element age, and it will be just one field, one element. Then I will go to the next field. How I'm going to assign to P3, so I will modify its value. Now it will point to the next element where it will access to this value from the address itself contained in the node itself. So P3 next. So it will, when the loop will stop, when I will access the null element. I forgot in the previous code so in here, when I created the first node pointed out to the next to the P2 the next node, but the second node, its P next, didn't point to any field. This is why I'm going to add to it next. Well, no, this way I'm sure that the last field, it will be the end of my list. Then finally I will add here to another new line character. I can run my code. So this is the first code, the first statement printed, this general. Then traversing a linked list. The first name of the first node is Smith John. The second one is Doe John. When it reached the end of the list, it stopped printing. That's it. Bye.